Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon 2 litre TDI 184 PS FR finished in mystery blue. Features on this model include full LED headlamps and daytime running lights with cornering lights. The car benefits from a 18-inch wheel upgrade. Has built-in LED indicators in the mirror housing. This is a 5-door model. Being an FR, has privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. There's also rear parking sensors. The Seat badge doubles as a boot handle, giving a large loading space. As the vehicle has a Seat sound, which is an upgraded audio system, subwoofers in the boot, and there's a temporary spare as well. Car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior and Isofix on the rear bench. Has 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in. As mentioned, the vehicle has Seat sound, which is an upgraded audio system. Illuminated door sills. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's also a dimming rear view mirror and automatic lights. The vehicle's covered just over 5,000 miles, but this vehicle is a demonstrator and the mileage will continue to rise. There's a large touchscreen media display with full link for Android and Apple devices. There's also DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, self-out navigation with traffic updates, hands-free calls as well. Dual climate control, storage at the front with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, and electric handbrake with hill hold facility. If you'd like any further details, please ask for Patrick or Barry. The number here is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.